Hey, good morning, folks. How y'all doing? Just a couple quick things. We'll go over the markets first. Uh, Friday, I didn't really see, options expiration, so there was a little bit of just kind of back and forth, kind of moving around. That's to be expected. Heavy volume. There was heavy volume. Seemed like a lot of people were kind of pushing around the market a little bit side to side, trying to figure out what's going to happen, so on and so forth. But it looks like we're probably, we're chilling in that 175 zone. We probably could use a pullback now to 1150. It's about that time. Um, but we'll see. We haven't had that big dip yet. Ideally, one or two big down days would really serve us nice. Kind of shake out all the people a little bit. When you're trading, you really want to see people's faith tested, right? You want to see their faith tested. See if they give up. And so, a couple down days would bring about all those bears, all those guys on Twitter saying "told you so, told you so," and that's when we're really going to see if we get a real market. But so far, nothing has changed. We're in the same place we were a week ago. Market's very bullish. We're working off that overbought condition. So rock and roll. Let's go over some stocks. One second here. Okay. Hey, INX. Hey, big volume on Friday, up 10%. Let's see if this thing can break out. Looks like kind of, um, we want to see basically a break of its highs on Friday, and I believe that's going to be about 218 or 219. We break that high, all things are a go. Keep this. I don't know what's happening with this stock, man. It's crazy. Big spike up, then it falls all the way back. Has a couple doji days. Boom, boom. I don't know what to make of it, but it's on my list. I mean, you can see here this big long base. This four level. If it can break and hold this, I mean, you're really thinking, this thing could go back to seven. I mean, there's a lot going on this thing, so we really need to pay attention to it and kind of find a way to play this thing. uh, Depot, no. Oh, here it is. PMI. Let's see if we can break this bad boy out again. I mean, it looks like 455 is going to be the trigger. This thing could be explosive, so let's watch it. Mankind's okay. I've been watching this for a while. My only problem is that the upside's limited to this 200-day moving average, as it couldn't break it last time. This thing looks like it's probably headed to 725, 730 or so. So, not a bad little scalp there. Maybe keep an eye on this. I don't know what was happening here. I'm searching for the news right now, but we might try to add this on a pullback to one if there's volume, and then rock and roll. Cosi, great setup. It's coming out of a bottoming formation, coming out of a base. A little bit of weakness at one, around one. I'd buy this with a tight stop right under there and see if this thing can take off. DCTH, it's flagging. You can do two things with this. You can buy it on strength, like a 939, as it breaks the highs, or you can add this for a swing. Basically on the towards the bottom of the box, and or on weakness, and then trade it back and forth in the box till it breaks out. ANAD, keep an eye on this. This could be very powerful too. This looks like a stock. Check out this crazy volume expansion, right? Somebody's accumulating this stock, and so we want to see if this thing breaks this kind of that 625 level, and then rock and roll. I mean, this thing could take off. STSA, a big flat base. I'm watching this break over the 200-day moving average, and I think it'll trigger, probably looking at, 68 cents. If it breaks 68, you can see a target of 75. If it breaks 75, all bets are off. I mean, we could see, it could go. Drice, keep an eye on this. Let's, maybe a light pullback on this might set a swing trade around 450 with a target of 5. As you can see here, it's touched 5 a couple times. And, I'm assuming with the market taking off and the commodities just cruising, that the shipping rates got to go up, because when commodities fly, usually the shipping follows. Hold on. I've been watching this stock, for a while. IPO took off.